From the Copper Connection podcast, vibration at work isn't just a nuisance, it's a serious health issue. Here's what you need to know about the Vibration Control 2005 regulation. In 2005, the Control of Vibration at Work regulations came into effect in the UK. These regulations aim to protect workers from risks to health from vibration. Hand-arm vibration can cause disorders like carpal tunnel syndrome or vibration white finger. Whole body vibration can lead to back pain and other musculoskeletal problems. Employers must assess and control these risks. They should regularly measure vibration levels and implement measures to reduce exposure. Simple steps can make a huge difference. Use anti-vibration gloves, improve tool maintenance, and rotate tasks to minimize exposure. Remember, your health is paramount. If you feel symptoms, report them immediately. Want to dive deeper into workplace safety tips? Subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media for the latest updates on workplace safety.